In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed the Google Maps app to your Wix site in Wix Studio. We will go through the full process inside the Wix Studio editor so you can add a map to your site. Place it exactly where you want it. And make sure it looks great on every screen size. This is especially useful for business websites, contact pages, or any page where you want visitors to quickly find a physical location. To begin, open your project in the Wix Studio editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the top left corner and click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps all of the building blocks you can insert into your site, including things like text, images, forms, and of course, maps. Next, look for the Maps option. You'll find it under the Contact and Forms category. Once you open that section, you'll see the available map elements and styles. Choose the style that best matches the design of your website. Some options may look more minimal, while others may feel more visual or interactive, so pick the one that fits your layout and branding. After that, drag the map onto the canvas and place it into the section or container where you want it to appear. Try to position it in a way that feels balanced with the rest of your content. For example, if this is going on a contact page, you may want it near your business details or contact form. Once the map is on the page, click the map element to select it. Then, from the floating action bar, click Manage Locations. This is where you will set the location that appears on the map. Enter your physical address into the available fields so Wix can position the marker pin correctly. You can also customize the pin pop-up by adding a title, a short description, and link information if needed. This can help visitors understand what the location is and give them an easy next step. Now take a moment to fine-tune how the map fits into your layout. Open the Inspector panel on the right side of the canvas. Here, you can adjust the width, height, alignment, and margins. These settings are important because they help the map sit neatly within your design and keep spacing consistent. Finally, preview the map block across desktop, tablet, and mobile breakpoints. This step helps you confirm that the map scales properly and remains easy to view on different devices. If anything looks off, go back and adjust the responsive settings until everything feels polished and clear. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.